Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Are you looking for a easy dessert to put together? Well, try a dump cake. First off, I am setting my oven to 350 to preheat because it will only take minutes to put this together. I literally mean minutes, guys. What you will need is a yellow cake mix. You will also need some cooking spray. I am putting together a pineapple cherry dump cake. So I needed a can of crushed pineapples and a can of cherry pie filling. You will also need 2 sticks of butter melted. Just that simple, guys. Just that simple. Right now, I am going to take my cooking spray and spray my pan. Generously do this, guys. Spray it very, very well. And by the way, this cake should be prepared in like a 9 by 13 pan. So right now I am putting my crushed pineapples at the bottom. Again, dumping it in there. I'm going to spread it around just a bit. And then after that, I am going to take my cherries and place them on top of the crushed pineapple. And guys, you want the juices from the pineapple and you want the juice from the cherries. And I am spreading the cherries around as well. Now I am going to take my cake mix and I'm going to spread the cake mix on top of the cherries and pineapple. And lastly, I'm going to take that melted butter and I'm going to spread it all over the top here. Guys, it smells good already, and this has not even been cooked. So you will place this in the oven 350 for 1 hour. And trust me, your house will smell so good while this is cooking. And here it is. I cooked mine a little over an hour, and next time I will cook it at the hour point. I wanted the top a little charred or a little harder than what it was. But this is delicious, served with some ice cream, guys. And I wish I had a plate to show you, but my family killed this dessert. I don't even have anymore. I tried one piece of this. It is so good, and I plan to try these dump cakes in different flavors. Well guys, that is the end of this video. Just wanted to bring you this quick video of a easy and simple recipe or dessert. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of this family here, the Diva family, just by pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.